Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am showing you how to make this beautiful abstract flower painting with gold leaf, alcohol ink and some pens. And I'm using this glossy photo paper for this painting. And normally I use the back side of the photo paper because the alcohol inks flow easily on the back side. And for blending, I'm using this 91% isopropyl alcohol. And you can also use higher percentage like 99%. And this paper is about 9 inches by 12 inches. And I'm using pitch black color for this painting. And the beauty of pitch black is that when you make the painting and blend it with isopropyl alcohol, you can see multiple colors flowing through this painting. So it will be beautiful abstract flower painting. Even though it is called black, it bleeds different colors on blending. So that's what you can see in my demo. And I wanted to add gold leaf to this painting, so I put some little glue lightly, and I used this cool glue, but there is also special glue available for gold leaf. You can check it out in Amazon. It's called metal leaf glue. And you stick the gold leaf. I used some flakes and applied it onto the glue. And this is an assorted kind of gold leaf with all colors. And one thing to remember about gold leaf is that when you use it, you have to seal it later after the painting is dry. And another thing I'm using is a watercolor metallic gold, which is called Fine Tech watercolors, which is the brand I bought. But you can use any brand of metallic watercolor paint and just mix it with water and apply draw some lines. And please remember to seal the gold leaf after the painting is dry. You can apply gold leaf sealer, which is available on Amazon. So once you apply the sealer on the gold leaf area, then the shine will be retained for longer time. And I'm making fine lines with this watercolor painting, watercolor metallic gold. And it's totally abstract painting, so you can use any metallic shade that you like actually. And then after that I will be using this Micron 005 fine tip pen to make some designs on to the center of the flower. This is the pen that I use.